Oh yeah, we finally fixed it. Some WD-40 and finding a little tiny part in there that needed to be sprayed after I sprayed everything. Anyway, I'll show you that part. Since I couldn't get the squeak to stop, I'd been spraying everything from that joint in there, pull those pins out, you can shove that in there and pop off the plastic pieces on both sides. But this whole thing doesn't still come out. You can try to pull out these pins on the side, you can lift these things out and then try to get them out. There's little plastic retainer clips in there. Couldn't quite get them out, I was messing with it. Then I finally realized that back in here, see if I can get a light on in there, there's a little tiny cylinder inside there, and you can fill it with your finger. And I was able to take my WD-40 and just spray a bunch inside there, and then stand it up real quick so it would fall inside this little area here. So it's kind of like a cylinder plunger thing that goes inside. And if you can spray WD-40 inside that area, then flip it over so it drains in. If somebody has a way to open this up, then it would probably work a lot better, but I unfortunately don't. But now at least we're not getting any squeaking. So anyways, got it fixed.